to Cooking Corner. Today's recipe is bhature. So let's get started. The ingredients are: I have taken 2 cups of wheat flour, half a cup of dahi or yogurt. I have also taken quarter of a teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds. I have also taken quarter of a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar and water as per required. So into the mixing bowl, we will add the salt, sugar and the carom seeds and the curd.
And the half a teaspoon of.
Now we will give it a good mix. Please note that we will have to form a medium kind of dough. It shouldn't be too stiff or too soft. Now we will gradually add the water little by little, around 1 teaspoon in the hand, and mix it really well. So now we will continue kneading the same for around 2 to 3 minutes. Here we can see that the dough has formed. It is neither too hard nor too soft, just like we make it for chapatis. So now we will allow this to rest for around half an hour and then start rolling. So here we have taken a rolling surface and a rolling pin along with some dry flour. Now we will take a portion of the bhatura dough and now we will roll it carefully in this way. Now we will dip it in the dry flour and start rolling. Please make sure that you roll it gently. If you press it really hard, the bhaturas will not puff up. And also please make sure that you do not make it very thin also. It should be medium thick. It shouldn't be too thick as well. So here is the right thickness for the bhaturas. So similarly we will roll the same for the rest of the dough. So now we will start frying the bhaturas. We will adjust the flame in medium to high for around 5 minutes. I have preheated the oil for around 5 minutes in low to medium flame. And now we will make it to medium high till it is nice and hot. Please be very careful while frying the bhaturas. Now I have taken the rolled dough. We will carefully add it in this way and quickly take a spoon and press it towards the down part of the oil. And here you can see the bhaturas have puffed nicely. So we will fry it for another few seconds. In this way. And now we will strain the oil and collect it in a plate. Please note, I have not used any baking soda or baking powder in this recipe, but still the bhaturas will be really soft. Here you can see how beautifully it has puffed up. So here are the absolutely delicious and crispy bhaturas. They are very soft inside and crispy outside. We can also serve this with chana masala or chola masala, and we can also serve it with many other gravies as well. It will taste absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching Cooking Corner. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.